I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Now, I will describe the method for speedy check for the divisibility of a number by 7 and 19. Now, I will explain the speedy check for the divisibility of a number by 7. We will explain two methods. Method 1, in which rule is add 5 multiply unit digit with remaining part. This is the rule. Now we check it. Let we have a number 39711. 1 is the digit in unit place. We multiply this by 5 and then add with remaining part. This is the remaining part, 3971. 6739. Again, 6 be the digit in unit place. Now we multiply this by 5 and add this with remaining part. Here 30. 6 multiply 5 is 30. Here we get 7. Here 2. Here 4. Now digit in unit place is 7. We multiply this by 5 and add with remaining part, 42. Now we add this 7 and 7. Since 77 is divisible by 7, then we declare that 39711 is divisible by 7. If we divide 39711 by 7, we get 5673. Now we check for the another example. Let number is 32123. The digit in unit place is 3. We multiply this by 5 and add with remaining part. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 15 plus 12, 27. Here 32. Now, digit in unit place is 7. We multiply this by 5. We get 35 and add with the remaining part. 7, 5, 3. Now, digit in unit place is 7. We multiply this by 5 and add with the remaining part. 7 multiplied 5 is 35. 35 and 35 is 70. 70 is divisible by 7. Then we declare that 32123 is divisible by 7. If we check this, 32123 divided by 7 equal to 4589. Now we explain the second method. In second method, rule is subtract 2 multiply unit digit from the remaining part. Here we have added the multiplication. Here we have to subtract. The same example we may take. Let 39711. If we multiply unit digit by 2, then subtract 2 multiply 1, 2 from the remaining part, minus 2. We get here 9, here 6, 3, 9. Now, the digit in unit place is 9, we multiply this by 2, then 18, we subtract this from the remaining part, and we will get 378. Now, we multiply the digit in unit place by 2, we get 16, and we subtract this from the remaining part, and we will get, this is 21. 21 is divisible by 7. Then 39711 is divisible by 7. Here we have seen that if we divide this number by 7, we get 5673. Now we check for the second number. 32123. Here digit in unit place is 3. We multiply this by 2 and we get 6. We subtract this from the remaining part. We get 3206. Here digit in unit place is 6. We multiply this by 2 and we subtract this from the remaining part. We get 308. Now we multiply by 2, 16, we subtract 16 and we get 14. 14 is divisible by 7, therefore 32123 is divisible by 7. Here we have seen that 32123 is divided by 7 gives the result 4589. In this way, by our practice, we may perform this very speedily. Now, we explain the speedy check for the divisibility of a number by 19. Here, rule is add 2 multiply unit digit with remaining part. In the divisibility by 7, in the second method, we explained that in place of add, we used subtract this from remaining part. In the case of 19, here we use the term add. By an example, we check this. Let example is 6802. Here digit in unit place is 2. We multiply this 2 and becomes 4. We add this with the remaining part. We get 684. Now digit in unit place is 4. We multiply this by 2. We get 8 and we add with this. Here 76. Again we multiply this by 2. We get 12 and we add this with the remaining part. Here 19. 19 is divisible by 19. So the given number 6802 is divisible by 19. If we divide this 6802 by 19, we get 358. Now we check the rule for second example. Second example is let 102296. Now digit in unit place is 6. We multiply this by 2 and we add with the remaining part. We get this 41,102. Here digit in unit place is 1. We multiply this by 2, add with the remaining part. Here 1026. We multiply this 6 by 2. We get 12. We add with the remaining part. Here 411. If we multiply the digit in unit place by 2 and add with the remaining part, 4 2s are 8, and we get 19, and 19 is divisible by 19. So we may check this, that 102,296 divided by 19 equal to 5384. So our check is complete. We follow this rule. We multiply unit digit by 2 and add with remaining part, and we continue this process, and ultimately we get a smaller number, and if that number is divisible by 19, then the given number is divisible by 19. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.